Today I will show you how using the base data collection and data diagnosis tools, we are able to extract subsets of that data into fully customizable Power BI reports that can be used across your business and technology stack to provide visibility and decision-making capabilities to your teams. The base BI report is a powerful tool for quickly extracting valuable information about the general health of the environment being monitored. The report allows monitoring stats to be broken into their most valuable form for each stakeholder, be that an engineer's view or a business unit manager's view. Each stakeholder can extract value from the singular monitoring service covering the business. The heat maps shown here are an example of a powerful illuminator for a SQL database administrator. The data is laid out in such a fashion as to clearly show times of day that the infrastructure is under pressure. Using a summarized view of the diagnosis data we mentioned earlier, it is very easy to see what part of the underlying database is being utilized and which resources specific processes are using. From this BI point of view, the data is easily accessible and can be accessed to a granular level. Additionally, deep dive analysis can be done through the OMA. This type of heat map can be applied to any type of data that is collected within the system, including, but not limited to, networks, MPLS, SD-WAN data, cloud VDC, and cloud native sources.